In this tutorial, I'll guide you how to use the premium personal profile on the Song Nhi app. This profile unlocks a full suite of features designed to support your journey to financial freedom and requires 100 coins for activation. Since I already have it activated, let's switch to my premium profile and get started. The transaction history screen is at the center where you can view your total income and expenses. Scroll down to track all transactions and use the advanced search, sort, and filter options in the top right to conveniently manage your finances. You can pin important transactions for quick access, which will appear on the left under Pin Pages. From Pin Pages, you can add income or expenses and view transaction history, enabling you to create custom transaction reports with visually appealing charts. On the left side is the dialog box, where you can chat with Song Nhi to quickly add transactions without navigating through the interface. Simply click on Song Nhi's avatar to access global chat, where you'll receive profile updates, tutorials, and notifications about new features. Next to global chat is your profile area, where you can switch between profiles and manage finance each one individually. As an example, let's add an expense by typing gas $50 into the chat. You'll see this transaction immediately appear in the chat box and in your transaction history. You can also edit, update categories and tags, or delete any transaction at any time. Let's explore the 6 jars system in Song Nhi for budgeting. Go to Jar Budgeting Management on the left, where you'll see each jar's budget necessities, long-term savings, play, education, financial freedom, and give. Navigate to Income Auto Split to set custom percentages for each jar based on your financial strategy. You can reset these to default anytime by clicking the reset icon. Note, any income you add will automatically distribute to each jar according to the percentages set here. I'll give you an example. To set up the 6 jars, let's add an income by typing salary $500 in the chat. Click the transaction for detailed information. In Jar Budgeting, click the Edit icon, then switch to the percentage view to adjust each jar's allocation as needed. Save your changes or click Reset to return to default settings. The low budget warning feature alerts you when spending exceeds your set limits. Go to Jar Budgeting Management and review each jar's budget. For example, if your Give jar has a $50.35 balance, set a low budget warning at $10 and enable Remind Me. Now, let's add a transaction by entering Gifts $55 in the chat. Song Nhi will instantly notify you that this transaction exceeds your Give jar limit, helping you stay within budget. You can also recategorize or adjust this transaction as needed. And thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also, if you're looking for a smart way to manage your finances and escape the rat race, check out Song Nhi, the perfect finance app to help you achieve financial freedom. You can download it today and start your journey. Drop a comment below and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.